I'm Zoe Webster. I'm Director for AI and Data Economy at Innovate UK. Innovate UK supports businesses across the UK to develop and realise the potential of their ideas, whether they come from themselves or whether they come from the world-class research base we have here in the UK. We connect businesses with partners, customers, investors, researchers, the people they might need to turn their ideas into real commercial products, processes and services. We fund businesses by themselves or in collaboration with other businesses or researchers to accelerate business innovation and business investment into R&D. Our support is available to businesses anywhere in the UK. Innovate is now part of UK Research and Innovation, the organisation that will keep the UK at the forefront of research and innovation going forwards. We are central to delivering the industrial strategy. We are key to meeting the target of 2.4% of GDP spent on R&D across the UK. To that end, we've organised ourselves according to the grand challenges set out in the industrial strategy, including AI and data economy. At Big Data World, I'm hoping to meet AI and data innovators who are growing businesses or looking to grow businesses based on AI and data, whether that's because they've got a new idea with AI at its heart, or whether they're looking to adopt AI in new ways to develop new and improved products, services and processes for their customers. I'll be talking about some of the businesses we've supported to grow as a result of AI and data, and I'll also be talking about some of our priorities in this space going forward.